A day in my life as an affiliate and second year eduk student na road to third year na. Another day, another slay. So yun nga mga ate, kung pinagpala sa lahat, samahan niyo ako for today's ganap since kukuha na tayo ng card. So last day na pala to ng kuhaan ng card namin and bakasyon na. And after that, third year na ang above nyo. So as you can see mga ate ko, nakasombrero and mask and everything ang above nyo since namamalat ang aking fest lalo. Alam nyo mga te, parang kahapon lang is first year college ako, then tomorrow is third year na. More stress and depressing moments, charis. So at this point mga te, andito lang muna kami tumambay sa bahay nila Eve since 2 pa yung kuhaan ng card namin sa research. So tamang kape sa kalagitnaan ng init. Charis. So yeah, malayo pa pero I know na malayo na. Kaya no matter what happens, keep going, keep pursuing your dreams, endure and overcome, and someday you will thank yourself for not giving up, man. Na para bang?
Ayan, yung nasa una.
Also, for those students out there, honors and without honors, you must always proud to yourself. I've come to realize that grade doesn't define you as an individual.
Ate, pandemic era ka?
Yes, masakit minsan kapag hindi nagre-reflect yung grades mo sa effort na binibigay nyo. Pero we need to understand na hindi lahat ng tao is fair. The most important here is you know to yourself na you did your best. And alam mo rin sa sarili mo kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. And that's enough. So yeah, at this point, after ng kuhaan ng grades namin, pumunta muna kami ng Nova Bayan. So nagutom kasi kami mga te, kaya kumain muna kami saglit and then yeah, kantahan na. Charis. Stress pa yan siya sa init. Para bang feel na feel? Charis. Ayun lang mga te, I hope na hindi tayo susuko. Ano bang klaseng pagsuko yan? Diyan ka pa. Charis. So ayun lang, I hope you learned something. Char. So yeah, see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!